Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have owned a few essential oil diffusers over the years, but this VELNUE diffuser is my very first waterless one. As soon as I received it, I was immediately struck by just how beautifully designed it is. It's made of this gorgeous cream-colored ceramic with this really subtle sparkle in it, and the rose gold top just makes it look absolutely stunning. It is really easy to use with either VELNUE essential oil blends or my own blend. One thing about my water-based diffusers is that I notice after it's running for a little while, the scent coming out of it is not very strong. With this VELNUE diffuser, the scent is very consistent and potent, and it really doesn't get watered down at all. I can completely customize the amount of scent that I want coming out of it simply by adjusting the frequency that it emits and also the length of time that it's on by using the duration and strength buttons on the unit. Something that makes it stand out too is the fact that it is totally cordless, so I can easily move it from room to room without any fuss. Probably my favorite feature of it is its cozy ambient lighting that it creates. It gives off all those homey, warm vibes that I just can't get enough of. It's totally rechargeable and it will run for quite a long time without needing to be recharged. I have found this VELNUE diffuser to be much lower maintenance and more efficient than your typical water-based diffusers. But that's just my point of view.